basing my watch list off of what's strong, or what closed strong on Friday. But first I'm gonna go over the weekly calendar. Monday no data, Tuesday no data, Wednesday no data, Thursday no data. Friday, core CPI, and PMI 9:45. Consumer sentiment at 10 a.m. For this week's earnings, we have Netflix after close and Tesla after close. Only two main things that I really trade. Hopefully, Netflix announces a stock split. So, Apple closed strong on Friday. We have a few seconds before market open so we can see and start this charting and weekly watch list and see what happens. Let's see. Boom. Alright, so I'll start at this high. I'll start at that high. I'll be looking at that level. It's a nice. Looking at 255. 255.74. It's a nice double top right here, and 256.60. This is Apple. We're definitely extended, so we might have a little pullback. But if we hold these levels, these are the next levels that I'm watching on Apple. Let's go back a little further. Okay. This lines up with that. This lines up with that. This lines up with that. So far, good levels. Let's see. 253.93. I'll hold that there. I'll do this level since we struggled here at 253.83. That's a 50-cent move from 253.41. And that's it. So those are the levels I'm watching for Apple. This is more of a side watch. So this is AMD. And this is the all-time high area. This is I would keep an eye on these levels. Obviously, there really is. Let me see. I'll do this one. I'll remove this and do this. I like this one much better. So AMD will be more of a side watch. Nothing on Amazon. Coins bouncing. Coins coming out of a downtrend. So this can look good. This is the Friday high. This can look good, but there's other setups better than this. This is definitely coming out of a downtrend. Google, all-time high. Keep an eye on this. So this is the high from Friday. And these are the next, well, that's the next level I have, basically. There really is nothing. All right. Meta. I can clear all of this. This is the high from Friday. Got a triple top right here. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Yeah. is this? Let's see. Bring this down. Just trying to see if this is side watch. If this has side watch potential. But definitely my main watch so far is, let me see, Apple. I like how it's holding. AMD's a side watch, can take off. Google, all-time high, can take off. Meta, I don't know yet. Nvidia, look like it's coming out of a downtrend. So I will watch this high for a recovery play if it holds, which it probably won't hold. Nothing on Palantir, nothing on Shop. Tesla has earnings, but I'll mark out levels to look out for in Tesla. Even though you can't play this till after earnings on Wednesday, I'll mark out these levels to look out for on the 4-hour time frame. Let's see. Double top, boom, boom. Lines up with this. This lines up good. It's another 4-hour. Another 4-hour. All-time high. So these are the levels to look out for after earnings. Literally won't be playing this till Thursday, Friday. So just look out for these next levels. Let's see where we open up after earnings. Let's see if we hold. Let's check on Apple. Apple's holding. I don't really like Coin. Don't really like Meta. So my main watch is Apple. Side watch is AMD. See, AMD broke. Google. So main watch Apple. Side watch AMD. Side watch Google. Yeah. That's it.